This is the DAE SMB 3-phase 4-wire installation guide. Step 1. Connect hot wire A to VA. Connect hot wire B to VB. Connect hot wire C to VC. And neutral to VN. Step 2. Insert hot wire A through CT1A. Connect the white wire of CT1A to A+, black to A- of channel 1. Insert hot wire B through CT1B. Connect the white wire of CT1B to B+, black to B- of channel 1. Insert hot wire C through CT1C. Connect the white wire of CT1C to C+, black to C- of channel 1. To power the meter, connect the fuse to hot wire A to 120 volt on the meter, and then connect neutral to 0 volt on the meter. Side note, 22 gauge is good enough for all the wires. SMB350 uses very low power. One fuse with holder is attached for you to connect the hot wire to power the meter. VA, VB, VC, just take the reference of voltage from hot wire A, B, C. They do not need fuse. Monitor 8 3-pole breakers sub-panels for SMB350-8. 4 3-pole breakers sub-panels for SMB350-4. For monitoring 277/480 volt or 346/600 volt panel, please connect 120 volt or 240 volt from another panel to power the meter. This is the end of the installation guide. If you have any questions, please contact us at 248-635-3708 or info@daecontrols.com or refer to our website www.daecontrol.com.